If you clicked on this video, we're here at the Mandarava Resort and Spa here in Phuket, Thailand. This is a Tropicana Superior room. So as we're in the hallway bit here, there is a lovely plant area. You've got a desk, full length mirror, which we don't have in our room in the CPL room. We don't have that in our room, which is actually really handy. If we come in here, we'll show you the main bedroom first. One of the things they do have in here is USBs either side of the bed. We don't have this in the CPL room, and there's light controls either side around the room. Very nicely decorated in here. There's a dressing table. There's plug sockets in here. Not that I've seen any universal plugs. We have universal plugs in our room, so that's one up. There's fan control here. There's an air conditioning remote somewhere, which I'm not sure about. But we have a nice little lounger area. What I said to you about the beds is king size, but they're two sort of single doubles pushed together on a mattress. They're kind of firm. So if we come over here, we'll go out to the balcony. Oh, just before I forgot, there's a TV in the corner you can look at. We come out onto the balcony. Now they call this a Tropicana Superior room. As you can see behind me, this like you're nestled in the jungle. You've got nice little rocking chairs around. You can sit out on, have a drink if you've got some in your bar, if you don't want to pay. There's an area you can hang out wet bathing clothes. And if you come around here on the balcony, just to show you, it wraps around, but we have another door just here just to get inside the room. There's a bed there, so you're not going to use it, but it's a nice little setting just by the pool here. But obviously Tropicana Superior rooms are laid out everywhere around the resort. So we'll go back inside. I'll show you the bathroom. As you come into the bathroom, obviously you've got your toilet, rain head shower. Just a note with toilets here in Thailand, you have a bum washer and you can't put toilet paper into the toilet. It's just their system can't cope with it. Rain head shower. Every room comes with shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. You don't have to bring any, but if you like a particular shampoo, then I recommend bringing it with you. We've obviously got sink area, space for your toiletries. You've got bath, another shower head, quite a deep bath actually. If you want to relax in the bath, all your towels will be here as well. And then if we come out here, we come to the closet. There's closet space. There'll be a couple of coat hangers here for you while you're here. And also there'll be two umbrellas which are left here, which will normally be in the wardrobe. And if we come in this side, there'll be a safe. You can put stuff in, more hanger space. And then as we come here, the last bit. It's the last bit of the room. There'll be tea and coffee, which is free when you're here. Majority of people stay in a bed and breakfast spaces. They'll tease you with snacks like Pringles and chocolate bar. That is a chargeable extra that will charge you. And then the very last, there'll be a mini fridge. This fridge is a lot bigger than our room. So you get 4 free bottles per day complimentary while you're staying here. All the other soft drinks and that they will charge you unless you bring your own from a 7-Eleven, which you can store in your fridge, which is absolutely fine. So that is the end of our Tropicana Superior room. If you'd like to see the CPL room or our Mandarava Resort tour, I recommend you check the video out at the end of this video. And that's it from us. So make sure you give it a like if you've liked it and subscribe if you want to see more Thailand videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.